Welcome to the we're going to show you how to use or add JazzCash payment method in Binance. So first you need to actually open Binance app. After that you need to actually buy anything, like if you want to trade with anybody or if you want to buy credit using Binance. So sometimes when you want to trade with people, some people will accept JazzCash as payment method. Also there's another way, another form of trading to actually use JazzCash as a payment method. So the one is to actually go to your assets and try to add funds to your Binance wallet. So as see from here, after choosing whatever you want to buy, you can just click on buy with your actual currency, as see from here. And now you can say if you have experience with P2P or if you don't have experience. So I will say that I have experience. So now you can actually just find someone who can accept your payment method like JazzCash, or if he doesn't actually accept your payment method, you can actually transfer to your bank account from JazzCash and then use your bank account to transfer to him from this method. So just find anybody that you want to buy from and then write the amount of money that you want to pay, as here from here. So just enter the amount of money and then place the order. Click on place order. Now you can actually pay him through his JazzCash information or through the bank account information if you can transfer from JazzCash to your bank account. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.